Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It has a 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline timing chain engine. It does come with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has 109,338 original miles. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look at the dash as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers right here, as y'all can see. So the number that y'all seeing up here, 175,970, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 109,338. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. I did want to tell you guys that we really do appreciate the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.